Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you an unboxing. I received an invitation from Globleland to review some of their products. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to share them with you. They've also been generous enough to give me a coupon code for my lovely subbies. And so, I don't even remember what I wanted. So I got some of these. Let's just look at these. I'll leave the links to their to the products in my description box below, and we'll go from there. So I did get some of these. It comes in a pack of 4. And they are just, or 2 packs of each, hearts and stars, and they're just glitter puffy stars. So I got a packs of those. I also got this autumn fallen leaves, maple leaves, acorn stamp seal. And here's the product number is there, but I'm gonna leave the link to all of these products in my description box below so you guys can check it out. The discount code is Makaz5, and you get $5 off a purchase of $40 or more. So I got that stamp set. I also got this stamp set. And this is Pretty Women Flowers stamp set. And there is the product number there. But they're just a silicone clear stamp. But I'm excited to use these. And then I also got this one. It's another silicone clear stamp, and I thought these would make great Halloween scenes with some of my Distress Oxide blendings. So I'll show you some of those. I also got, wow, this is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I got a package of stencils. Sorry for all the crinkling, but I guess I should have looked at the dimensions. They are big, 12 by 12 at least. Oh, but they might make fun pages for scrapbook pages. So there's one of the stencils. They show up good on the backing of this. Here's another one. But they're pretty much 12 by 12. Here is another one. They almost remind me of quilt patterns. In Hawaii, we have hand quilted quilts that have been passed down from generations. And that's what these patterns remind me of. I think there's 8 of them, I want to say, in here. 8 different patterns. Some of them like are flower-ish. That one's pretty too. And that one. There's one more after this one. There you go. Maybe that was 10 actually. It does not say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of them. So 9 of those stencils. So I'm excited to be able to play with their products. This is just the unboxing video. Stay tuned. I will be sharing the items I make with these things. So their website is in my description box below. You just go to their website, add your products to the cart, put in Makaz 5 for the discount, and check out. Add your payment information, and within a week or so your products will be at your door, or in your mailbox actually. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!